Alright, everyone, welcome back to the button simulator tutorial series. And today we're going to be making the upgrades and adding a new gem currency. So to begin, we're going to go into servers where the leader stat script is, and then we're just going to copy rebirths and then duplicate it, and then name it from rebirths to gems. Here, wait, let me zoom in. Alright, so copy this, paste it here, and then rename it from rebirths. All these rebirths are here from rebirths to gems. And then make the value 0, the name gems. So now we're gonna need to make it so then whenever you rebirth, you get gems, because that's how we're gonna need that to work. So in the rebirth button in the hit part in the script, we're gonna make a new value, and we're gonna call it local gems rewarded. Local gems rewarded, and then in here, once that value equals 0, rebirths that value plus equals rebirths added, and then we're gonna copy rebirths right here, and then change it from rebirths to gems. 5% gems, and then duplicate this, but then change it to gems. That value plus gems rewarded. Oh yeah, and the gems rewarded want to equal to like however much you need. I wish maybe like 10 gems every time you rebirth. Alright, now that we have that, if we go into Roblox, if we go into here, and if we test it, you see we have 0 gems right now, and then I'm gonna get 500 coins. Alright, and if we rebirth, we should get gems. And there we go, we get 10 gems. So now we're gonna need to make the the gem display. So we're gonna duplicate the coin display, then we're gonna call it gem display, and then on the frame right here where you have like all the buttons, you just want to like move it down a little bit. And the way that you can move it down is actually if you make the background transparency of it like 0.99999, then you can like drag it down like all of them instead of having to like, yeah, it's way easier. And then if we move that down and then move the gem display down here, I'll swap these. I'll make the gems actually be where the rebirths are. Alright, kind of like that. I'm gonna make it like a little bit smaller. Alright, and then for the icon, you just go here, search up gem icon, or just gem, and find a good one. Oh, I'll use this one. Just scale it. And also, if we test this on mobile, should all still be working, which is good. And now we have the gem display. Now we need to make it actually display the gem. So in the local script, in the gem display, you want to make it, you just want to change the coins to gems. So coins to gems. And there we go. If we press play, so you can see we have 10 gems, 3 coins, and yeah. Well, 10 gems, 3 reverse, and coins. And everything should still be working, which it is. and there should be no errors, and there's none. Alright, so now that we have the gems, we actually need to make the upgrades. So you could choose the upgrades. First we should make a walk speed upgrade. So here we're at. So first we need like an upgrade machine. I'm gonna make the upgrades be buttons because it's just easier for the data save. So then we don't need to write a whole new data save thing and then rewrite the buttons. I'm just gonna use the buttons for the data save because it's weird. Alright, so we're gonna just make it a gem upgrade. Shop. Here, I'll just make it be this. Upgrades, and then. Well, actually, no, instead of having that, you could just like add it to your map. So here, rebirths, coins. So for the upgrade buttons, we're just gonna duplicate the normal buttons, then call it upgrade buttons, and then we're gonna delete 2. I'm just gonna leave 1, and then we're gonna move it away, so then we know it's like different. I'm just gonna put it right here. And then we can change the hit part. So in the hit part script, let's see. So, wait, in the GUI part, we're gonna make this one be +5 speed. So they get +5 block speed and coins needed. Here, I'll call, here, I'll just maybe gems. So rename this to gems needed right here. Like underneath the 1 for the upgrade buttons. And then for the coins rewarded, you can just delete that. Delete that, and then delete that. Alright, so there, now that should be working. So, gems needed, you can make it to be like 10. And then in here, we're gonna make it so then their walk speed increases. So, we should add a new leader set here. So we're gonna add a new leader set for the player's walk speed. So just duplicate the gems, call it walk speed. Make the first letter lowercase and the second letter. The first letter lowercase, and then after the K, make the S uppercase. It's just easier to read. And then for the name, you just make it walk speed. And then change all these. Well, I'll just make the W capital. Doesn't really matter as long as you use what you called it. Alright, so walk speed. We can make the walk speed be like 20. Alright. So then, we're going to need to be able to get the player's humanoid. So in starter character scripts, we're going to need to add a local script. And then local player equals game dot players dot local player local walk speed equals, let's see, we can make it equals script dot parent dot humanoid dot walk speed. Alright, and then we can change this. So then down here we can do while wait. Jeez. Oh yeah, and then we need. Wait, no. Walk speed equals player semicolon wait for child leader stats and then semicolon find first child and then walk speed or whatever you named it. So I need mine walk speed, and then while wait do walk speed dot value equals wait no instead of that do script dot parent dot humanoid dot walk speed equals walk speed dot value. So let's try this out. Oh yeah, wait. And wait, so in the one script in the upgrade buttons in the hit part, open it and then delete the coins rewarded. Then it can be coins needed. I'll just rename this to the gems needed. Gems needed. Then gems needed. Just rename these. Alright. So coins. Gems. Local gems. So we just want to change this to local gems equals final child gems. We don't need rebirths. We don't need that. Well, wait, no. Instead of rebirths, actually call it local walk speed was child walk speed, and then if gems, then gems dot value is greater than the gems needed, then walk speed dot value plus equals 5. Or well, actually, I can just turn this to walk speed given. So you can make like multiple of these, and then we should make local walk speed given equals 5. I should make it be 5. Alright, so this should be working. Alright, and if we test it out, if we go to the view, output, walk speed. Oh, it says walk speed is not a valid member of that. So let's see what it's called. Because I forgot. I thought it was called walk speed. Humanoid. Oh, it needs to be a capital S. It needs to be a capital S. So just click on it. Well, local script 5. So in the star character scripts in here, I want to change this to a capital S. There we go. Wait, no. No. Leave that like that. Change this to a capital S right here. There. Alright, now if we test it, it should be working. Coins needed. Oh, yeah. Shubo. Sorry. We need to change coins needed. So, coins needed. Upgrade buttons 1? What? Do you mean? I think that was old. think it's. Oh wait, it's in the GUI part. It's in the GUI part. Gems needed. Change that to gems needed right there in the GUI part for the text label. Alright, so now if we do this, sorry for all that, if anything's like not working, tell me in the comments. But as you see, our walk speed is 20 right there. Shouldn't be getting any errors. Yep, no errors. There we go, there we go. Alright. Players. Well, let me go to humanoid speed, and it is 20, as you can see here on the bottom right. It's 20 plus 5 speed. We need to add a cost thing there. That's fine. But we have 5 gems. And oh yeah, it doesn't take it away. It doesn't take it away. We need to make it take it away. That's my bad. Alright, so plus 5 coins needed. Plus 5 speed. Costs. Coins needed. Space. Gems. Alright, so there. And then in the hit part for the upgrade button 1, we need to change. So then in there, and then gems dot value in here minus equals gems needed. Oh yeah, and we should also add a cooldown. So duplicate the gems need. Well, wait, it's fine. So this will give you. Yeah, I'll make it cost more actually. Well, I'll just leave it like that, and then I'll make it give you 2. So if we test it again, I have 300 walk speed. That's not good. But it's saving, so that's good. Alright, so plus 5 speed costs 10 gems. If we go here, output, everything's fine. And if we test it, it gives us 2, and it takes away our gems. And yeah, it works. If you need to get rid of your gems, you can just make it, or get rid of your walk speed, you can just set it. Alright, so wait. And we need to make sure that text label is working. We need to make sure that that's working. And yep, plus 5 speed costs 10 gems. Alright, so now that we have all that, you can make your map and stuff, and you can add this. So here, I'll make a quick and easy map real quick. And for your guys' maps, if you want it to look cartoony like this, all you gotta do is just add. So in the border part, so in the border part, you just want to add in a highlight tool. So here, look, I'll show you on this tree. So on this tree, if I just add and search up highlight, it looks like this. But then you can customize it to make it be fill transparency 1, and then outline color to be like that, and it looks like cartoony. And I think it looks really nice if you do it to all the border tops. And that's how it looks. So you guys can do that if you want, and I'm gonna continue making the map.